Hosting open houses is a great way to showcase your home when you're selling. But how do you make your home open house ready? Hi there, it's David Cinelli here with Royal LePage Signature. A big part of a successful open house is what the sellers do prior to opening up the doors for an open house. Here's a quick list of things that you could do to prepare your home before open houses begin. First, remove all prescription drugs from the mezzanine cabinets and visible areas. Item 2, tidy up. Make your beds, sweep the floor, put away all your dishes. I usually bring in a cleaning crew to help the sellers with this before the home is listed. Item 3, remove all your personal pictures. Item number 4, organize all your closets and storage area. Overstuffed closets relays the message to buyers that you don't have enough storage in the home. Item number 5, remove or hide all your valuables. Protect yourself from theft by removing any valuables that may be easily taken. Item number 6, open all curtains and blinds and turn on all the lights. The brighter the home, the more inviting it is to buyers.
Step number 7, remove all pets from your home. Not all potential buyers are pet friendly.
Well, there you have it. A quick item list that you can go through before you host your first open house. If you would like to know more how I use open houses and other marketing strategies to sell your home in 14 days or less, please either message me below or you can call or text me at 416-876-9998 or email me at dcinelli@royallepage.ca. Have a great day.